From America, we have received this question. The question asks, at what age the children should be given a separate room?
Separate room is this question is dependable upon the person's economy and the nature of his house. Some people live congested life in 2 rooms, so it's impossible to give a separate room to a child. But wherever it is possible, when the child grows old and becomes adult, that is the time when he should be given a separate room. But it all depends on the conditions, financial conditions, and the state of the house one occupies.